too early for this, Zachary.
Oh, good morning. It's, what is it, April 9th?
Something.
Yeah, it's the same date as...
Second day of season.
Yeah, second day season. Same date that was opening day last year for us. We're back together, Virginia. And, Josh is on the gun this morning. I'm on the camera. I got a bird roosted last night over here. We're here a little bit early, so we're drinking our coffee, waking up. And,
Milwaukee pack out, baby.
Yeah, Milwaukee. No one makes better coffee than Milwaukee. At least for drinking. But yeah, so that's the plan. It is chilly. What did it say coming in?
29 degrees.
29 degrees. So yeah.
We got locked jaws, probably.
Yeah, we're expecting to be a little quiet here first thing this morning, but never know. Yesterday morning it was cold, but not this cold, and they were fired up. So we shall see. But stay tuned. J-New is seeking blood.
Beak busting fools.
Stay tuned. We'll catch up with you all in a bit.
Oh! 2. Oh! That's 2.
Let's move, baby. They're close.
Oh yeah.
They're very close.
I think we set up those double trees, set the decoys right here. Alright, well.
Just tell me when you're done. Tell me which bird you're gonna take. Can you see that? No. You got one though, baby. He was too far out. I think so. I should have taken my time on it.
Oh, dude. He started getting skittish. You see that a little bit?
Yeah, I know. I know you on the other one.
The other one, it dipped behind this tree on you.
Yeah. I was, if they would have come one more step.
Dude, let's go. Dude, let's go. There's still a bird gobbling over here.
Dude, what time is it?
I don't know. He's a long bear, 6:44.
6:44.
Oh my gosh. We just had, let's see. We came up this little field. Zac was down here yesterday and thought he heard 2 birds. One for sure, maybe 2. We come up here and before we even had the chance to owl hoot, they fired off right here. Immediately knew it was 2 birds. We came up the hill a little bit and we got set up on them. And these birds, I set up these decoys down here. Gave them a few little yelps or whatever, telling them know that there's a hen over here. And they came up the hill behind me and then started working their way down towards decoys. And I think they didn't like what they saw over here. We're kind of in the open a little bit, but we did the best we could with what we had. And these birds came down. The first one gave me a shot. And I let Zac know that I was getting ready to shoot. I shot because they looked like they were getting a little skittish on us. And then that one ran out to like 40, 45 yards. It was a hard leaning shot for Zac. He shot, I think he missed it because it took off flying over that way. And, but yeah, we got a long beard down behind us, baby, and they gobbled their heads off the whole time. Let's freaking go.
Let's go. Is that not how it's supposed to happen? Good bird.
Yeah, real good bird. That's a good bird.
I think it was a little bit longer than the ones I got yesterday.
Spurs or
Spurs. Beard probably close to it as well.
Yeah.
It's good beard. That's a long beard, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Beautiful morning this morning.
Unreal.
A lot of right moves
In the right place. This is a little different than last season.
Oh yeah. Last season was a rough going. This is a much better start.
Sorry. If I would have killed that bird, we could be going home to go back to bed for 2 hours.
Fun's just beginning. Dude, my arms were shaking with the position I was in.
Oh, really?
I was like free-handing it the whole time pretty much. Yeah, he was... Actually, that's probably more than 30 yard shot.
Sit down right quick. The way you was. 37 yards. I'm where the bird was when he shot. And Josh was on the side. And they got nervous. I was right there beside Josh where that crack is on that tree. Then they probably picked him out because he is a little exposed there.
Down there, they were gobbling just behind this cluster of trees over here.
True.
And then they pitched this way.
Yeah.
They gobbled again on the ground,
Yeah.
and they worked up and over, and they started coming down.
Dude, they stood.
That's not what I would have...
You see that little opening right there?
Yeah.
They stood in that little opening and just did not move for like, when I told you I saw them, they just stood there. Both of them just in place, gobbling.
I couldn't see them until literally the last like 30 seconds of that
tree
Joker's life.
screwed you from seeing them, and it screwed me from shooting.
Yeah.
If they'd come two,
Dude,
two more steps.
I wouldn't have thought that we needed, like, if we would have set up more, that it maybe would have worked out. Because the way they are gobbling, I assumed they were gonna pick
I know.
this way. And
That's
then
what I
come
thought.
in on a string. I mean, they did come in on a string, but they came in differently.
And that's a lot of times what will screw you over on a turkey hunt is they don't come in the way that you're planning for them to come in.
Oh no, we were set up facing downhill, and they came in from our right.
Yeah, and that was, I did think about that. I was like, man, there's a chance of these birds, if they come into our side here, things could get dicey.
Yeah.
But hey,
I mean,
we got a bird on the ground. That's what matters.
Yeah. I mean,
that bird just got.
We were both spun around on that tree, completely opposite direction from where we set up. And just think, we would have set up down there, we would have been screwed. And when he said, "I see him," I was looking on the screen to see if I could see him, but it's so small when you're looking at it.
It's so
tough. You can hardly tell.
Yeah. Heck yeah, dude.
Few calls. That's literally all it took.
It's cold this morning, but I knew they'd be gobbling still.
They are gobbling good. We got
hammering.
We got some hunting left to do.
Yeah, we do. Let's go kill another one.
All right, later, guys. You still got your scale?
Yeah.
That thing is heavy. I'm serious. Pick this thing up.
Yeah, that's a good bird.
Dude.
Good bird.
Solid bird. Either that or my shoulder's just toast from freaking shooting yesterday.
That's a good bird. Yes, sir.
Let's freaking go.